Hi mga igala, mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. This is Maestra Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today mga igala, we are going to finish the lesson what is Diay. So this is the last part 4. Here, the first one, we have stating about the character of a person. When the person say this sentence, it's like complimenting you that you are also one crazy person. Okay, so buang manday ka oy. Buang manday ka oy. Okay, so you're crazy. You have to listen carefully to the tone, to the inflection. So if it was said in a happy tone, that means the person was like, "Hey, you're crazy." Like, it's just very light. Okay, so you're stating about the character of a person. Next one, we have buang mandiay ka. You're crazy. Okay, so this one, we will use this when there is bickering, there is argument, or the person is annoying or did something undesirable. Okay, this also means like indeed. The di here can also mean indeed. And, you have to listen to the inflection, to the tone, how the person. We normally say it like this: Buang manday ka. Buang manday ka. You're crazy. The reason why we say the I here is I am expressing that I did not like what you did. Okay? Maybe you did something undesirable. Okay? And the next one. Okay, we have dili di ay na siya mauoy. Okay, let me slow it down. Dili di ay na siya mauoy. That's not it. Okay, that's not it. Dili di ay na siya mauoy. So the di here, we use it when we are correcting mistakes. Okay, dili di ay na siya mauoy. So dili here is not, na here is that. Siya here is it. It could mean a person, it could mean an object. Okay, mao here is. Okay, here it's like is. And then oy is an emphasis. Okay, that's not it. Dili di ay na siya maooy. Okay, this is the correct one, or this is the right one. So kani ang sakto. Kani ang sakto. This. Ang is the, kani is this, and then sakto is right or correct. So this is the correct one. Kani ang sakto. Okay, so sakto means correct or right. So here, you did a mistake. Maybe, for example, you're referring to an object. Next one, we have correcting. Again, correcting or reflecting about a mistake. Okay, so here my example is, so you think that's right. So the I here can be so. Okay, so you think that's right. Sakto ba di ay na? Sakto ba di ay na? Okay, we have sakto here, which means correct or right. Ba is a question marker. And then the I here is like so. And then na. Okay, there is a glottal stop at the vowel A. So na means that. Okay, sakto ba di ay na? So you think that's right. So you actually ask the person to reflect about the action. Okay, so again, correcting or reflecting about a mistake. Next one we have, okay, so here, so is this wrong? Sayop di ay ni. Okay, sayop di ay ni, or sayop di ay ni. Okay, because it's a question. Sayop di ay ni. So you guys were talking if, so this one is, there is a realization that there was a mistake, and you want to clarify if it was, you want to verify um, if it was indeed a mistake. Okay, sayop di ay ni. So is this wrong? Next one, you did not know about someone's talent. Okay, so here you don't have any idea that the person is a good singer or a good dancer or a good programmer. Okay, that's where we put the I. Maayo man di ay ka mo kanta. Maayo man di ay ka mo kanta. So it means basically like, oh, you sing good. Oh, you're a good singer. We say this when after we witness about the person's talent. Okay? Maayo man di ay ka mo kanta. Alright? So maayo means, I think you know this word already. Maayo means good. Man here is more like an emphasis, and then ka is you, mukanta is sing. Okay? Mukanta is your ability to sing. Okay, mukanta. Another example, again, you didn't know about someone's talent. The DI here also means like oh or so. Our example here is, oh, so you dance. Musayaw di ay ka. Musayaw di ay ka? Musayaw di ay ka? So I didn't know that he danced, okay? So I will say, oh, so you dance. Oh, musayaw di ay ka? Okay, next one, wrong assumptions. Okay, the scenario here is maybe you are at the dining table, you know, you're dining together with your partner, and you thought that your partner is done eating, and then he said, for example, he said that, hey, I'm still eating. Okay, so here you made a wrong assumptions that he is done eating. So here you will say, oh, you still want to eat, or you're still eating. Okay, so mukaon pa di ay ka, mukaon pa di ay ka. Mukaon is in future tense, but here the usage is still going to eat or still eating. Mukaon pa di ay. The di ay here is oh, and then ka is you. Right, last one. This is, we use di ay when we forget something. Okay, so like here, this is very, very common, mga higala. We say, oh yeah. Okay, oh yeah. So, ay, di ay. Ay, di ay. So like you forgot something and you just remembered. So you say, oh yeah, I need to do this. Or, ay, di ay, ako adining buhaton. Okay, ay, di ay. Okay, maybe you still have to do something, but you forgot, and then somebody reminded you to do that thing, and then you will say, ay, di ay. Oh yeah, I have to do that. Ay, di ay. Okay, so that's it, mga higala. Let's have a review of all our lesson about the I. What is the I? So it could mean oh, indeed, so, by the way, actually, really. Okay, so those are the counterpart in the English language. We use the I in different contexts, so it is quite contextual. The I is used in a lot of contextual situations. So here are the following that I have taught you. So the first one is when we want to verify or clarify something, we want to dig deeper. Number two, when someone is left out. Okay, number three, mistaken identity. Number four is when we are suggesting. Okay, five is when you understand the reason behind such actions. Number six, during a heated argument. Okay, number seven, realizing what the other person likes and dislikes. Eight, open-ended, calls the person to rethink. Number nine, when questioning the use of force. Number 10, introducing someone. Number 11, FYI statement. Okay. Number 12, stating about the character of the person. Number 13 is when you have an argument with someone, like there is a bickering with somebody. Okay. And then number 14, we have mistakes. This is when you're correcting the mistakes or when you're questioning the mistake. And the next one is when you realize that the person has such talent. Okay. Number 16 is wrong assumptions. Number 17 is when forgetting or remembering something. Okay, mga higala, those are situational, contextual usage of the I. This is quite a lot to remember. You just have to expose yourself with the I, and so it's good to know the usage. The same with the English language, mga higala, you really have to, expose yourself, familiarize yourself with how the locals use it. And yeah, mga higala, before we part ways, I am actually calling for book sponsorship. So anyone who would like to sponsor my set 2 books, I'm leaving my blog link so that you can see what it is all about. Okay, I'm inviting everyone who's watching, if you are interested to sponsor the set 2 books, I have 3 sponsorship packages to choose from. Okay, so read more about the book sponsorship in my blog. So I'm leaving the link down below at the description box. So what do you think of the ay, mga higala? Leave your comments in the comment section. Daghang salamat, mga higala, ug amping kanunay. See you next time. Bye!